If you have children or are planning on it in the future, then you'll want to check out the school situation in the area where you wish to live. Greatschools.org is a helpful site where you can enter in the school, school district, or city. Click on Go, and then get information on what grades are open at each school. You'll see a parental rating with reviews written by parents, and you can refine your search by preschool, elementary, middle and high school, and public or private. SchoolDigger.com also allows you to simply enter in a location and then view a map with markers of where the schools are. You can click on the markers to view more information about each school, like the rating and the ranking of the school. You can also then choose to view homes for sale near the school. SchoolDigger also has links to school district rankings, city rankings, and the best and worst schools. Thanks for watching, and don't miss the next episode in the Finding a Home with Online Tools series.
Hey, this is Doc. If you're looking for a cheap and easy way to put your own content on the web, go get domain names from hover.com. Just visit hover.com/butterscotch and you'll get 10% off and support shows like these. Thanks.